And after the US president laid the tariff bombshell on all countries, in India, a political showdown is erupting. Well, the opposition is attacking the government over the 26% tariff on India by the US government. Government sources tell us that India is in touch with the US administration and is exploring opportunities arising from the US tariff hikes. The opposition has criticized the Indian government, claiming it is using divisive tactics to deflect from the Waqf issue. They've accused the government of bowing down to foreigners, also claiming that America has insulted India and that the government must act to protect our economy and our businesses.
अब मुझे तो लगता है कि वक्फ बिल की इतनी अच्छी चर्चा है कि इसको छुपाने के लिए वो बार-बार अमेरिकी टैरिफ की बात कर रहे हैं। अमेरिका की सोचे, भारत की सोच रहा है और भारत अब किसी के पकड़ में नहीं आने वाला है। हमारी उड़ान बहुत लंबी है, हमारा आसमान बहुत बड़ा है और हमारे यहाँ के गरीबों का और सभी लोगों का फ्यूचर बहुत बड़ा है।
दोस्त क्या है, ये जो ढोल बजाते हैं ना, बीच में एक डायलॉग डालता है, वो महान आदमी है, तो ये ढोल बजाना स्टार्ट करते हैं। महान आदमी की क्या कीमत करती है अमेरिका देख लेना जरा। अंतर्मुख होना चाहिए अपने को और कड़ा रुख लेना पड़ेगा। है डिप्लोमेसी में कैसे तरह जाना, वो माहिर है, वह जयशंकर सर से एक्सपर्ट आदमी है, फिर भी वो मंत्री है। तो फिर जिस तरह से अमेरिका बार बार अपना हमें अवमानित कर रही है, यूरोपियन छोटे से राष्ट्र है, देखो कैसे खड़े हैं, देख के तो समझ जाए स्वाभिमान क्या होता है।
economic political policy. But the Indian government, particularly the Commerce Ministry, has to do an analysis to see how this will affect our exports or what effects it will have on our economy and what countermeasures we are going to take. We have to see what we are exporting, how the exports, whether the exports will slow down, and then what are the countermeasures we are going to take for the imports which are going to come in from the US. So it's always a tariffs is a two-way tool. Whenever somebody levies tariffs on a country, the other country will also retaliate, and so India would also take our appropriate countermeasures.
अमेरिका ने 26% का रेसिप्रोकल टैक्स लगाया है भारत के ऊपर।
उसी से उसको ध्यान हटाने के लिए ड्रामा है और किस लिए है? अमेरिका के सामने तो घुटना टेक सरकार है ये ना, तो उससे तो लड़ नहीं पाते, तो चलो यहाँ मुसलमानों से लड़ो।
And this is what a leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha had said on US tariffs in Parliament. Listening to Rahul Gandhi.
Foreign policy is about managing the external countries. You have given China 44,000 square kilometers of land. On the other side, our ally suddenly decides to impose tariffs on us, 26%, which is going to completely devastate our economy. Our auto industry, our pharmaceutical industry, they're all on the line. Agriculture. So I'm wondering, somebody once asked Indira Gandhi ji, in the matter of foreign policy, do you lean left or do you lean right? And Indira Gandhi ji answered, I don't lean left or right, I stand straight. I'm Indian and I stand straight. And the BJP and the RSS have a different philosophy. When asked, do you lean left or do you lean right? They say, no, we bow our head right in front of every foreigner that comes in front of us. Sir, this is something that is in their culture, it is in their history, we know that. But we would like an answer from the government of India. What are you doing about our land? And what are you going to do? What are you going to do about this tariff that our ally has imposed on us? Thank you.